things to consider when starting your online business. First of all, you want to pick a niche or a category of things that either you enjoy or you know are making money. I personally love digital products because they're easy to scale, there is no inventory, and you can make a lot of money with them. The second thing is you need to decide, do you want to create your own digital products, such as products in Canva like journals, ebooks? Do you want to resell someone else's product for 100% profit? Those would be master resale rights. Or do you want to be an affiliate marketer where you get a percentage of whatever you sell? Now that you've decided on the category that you want to market, you've also decided on how you want to market it. The third thing is setting up a funnel. What a funnel is it collects your emails, it walks your client or your customer through your products and services, and then it gives them the option to buy when they are ready. Part of your funnel system is just also building trust, where you're sending them emails, letting them know a little bit more about what you do, how your products and services can help them. You want to learn how to do this and do it all from one place, from mentors that have made over $1 million in this space, and also from mentors that have made 6 figures in less than a year. I've got it set up in my profile, or you can comment how and I'll share here. All right, we'll see you soon. Bye.